Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIV. Today I'll be giving the demo of how can we add an annotation in a line chart. So let's get started. For adding an annotation, we'll go to the edit menu, then we'll go to annotation. In annotation, we'll go to annotation properties, enable annotation. In annotation group, we can add new group. Annotation items, we can select among the options given, then annotations, then the size. Size we can adjust as per our own convenience. And we can also share this annotation with a particular user. First of all, we'll just select the visibility, whether you would like to give the right of viewing to that user that you have selected, or whether you would like to give only the right of editing to that particular user. So you can just select on the visibility option and then you can select the particular user. Like for example, I selected the view option over here, and you'll be able to see that after that, when I selected the user, that is the admin, he got only the right of viewing. Now for example, if I clicked on edit, or none. So now admin has got the right of viewing this option, that is the annotation. And save and exit. Now you'll be able to see that I can add a text below this chart. Once I click on the edit option over here, I'll be able to add any text, like this is a sales data. Like here I'm writing this is a sales data, and you'll be able to save it over here, and you'll be able to see this is a sales data. The text that I have added, you can add it along with this chart. And also, after you enable the annotation option, you'll be able to see that in the edit menu you have the annotation option given, and by clicking on this annotation you can make the changes to this text which I just now showed you, I wrote over here. So now by clicking on this option, you'll be getting this option where you can write anything along with this line chart. So this is how we can add an annotation in the line chart. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, you can write us to at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that's www.aivhub.com. Thank you.